So we're still laughing at this revelation of an idea. My remote, the volume button stopped working. So we decided that since they're just carbon contact pads and they cross the circuitry over to make the button work, that we try sticking foil tape on it. Well, seems to work. So for all those that have buttons on their shit, it doesn't work. You see, my volume down button doesn't work. But now all of a sudden the volume up button does work. So, yeah, see? No volume down. Let's just take this and he'll stick a new volume down button, a new volume down pad on there. Something like that. And you mash that on with the finger. And then,
mash it on there.
no, no.
Okay.
I'll press the volume.
No.
Oh, nice.
No.
Fixed with simple foil tape. You know, for ductwork, for furnace ductwork. Foil tape. Foil tape fix. Here. Let me see that.
Beautiful. Just beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah. Those volume buttons haven't worked in like 2 years, by the way. Too cheap to buy a fucking $25 remote? Go out and buy yourself a $6 roll of foil tape. Fixed.